You bet I don't have 20 blue fidgets? Well, let's see. First, let's put this back. And also, this is my comment, so yeah. First, we'll check in here. And also, this is at my friend's house, so there's like different fidgets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know if this will count because it does have blue on it, but I'm just going to put this back. I thought I had some blue rings. Oh, wait, over here. 7. I think that's enough in this drawer. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. Now let's move on to the mochis. And there was like a pincher bug in here. So like I'm like scared if I'll get pinched. But anyways, let's move on. So I believe I was at 16. So 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. So I just realized I went over, but looks like I win. But you can always try again. Bye!